Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Questrade account transfer fees. Does Questrade charge for transferring an account? The answer is a bit of a yes and a no. Questrade itself does not charge you a fee to transfer an account from another institution. However, the institution you are transferring from will almost always charge a transfer out fee. These fees can range from $25 to $150 or more. The good news is that Questrade has a promotion where they will rebate the transfer fees charged by your previous institution, up to $150 per account. To get this rebate, you just need to submit a statement from your old institution showing the transfer fee. This means that while you might initially be charged, Questrade will cover the cost for you. It's important to know that this rebate only applies to the transfer fee itself. Questrade won't reimburse you for other fees your old institution might charge, such as a deferred sales charge on a mutual fund. It's always a good idea to check with your current broker to understand all potential fees before you initiate a transfer. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.